Kanitie project masirikal undertaking an area. One thing miluongo ni multi-agencies. Multi-agencies kama kutingo mabedo chaired gi the county commissioner. And utingo different multi-agencies are concerned with the project madhi nyimeno. Kineno kaka sani iwacho wach mare construction mare Nyabondo Trauma Center. Nyabondo Trauma Center is a two-story building. Has got a bed capacity for men 53, women 68, and then children 30. Over 150 bed capacity. To wabedo gi gine ICU, wantie gi HDU2, to wantie gi operation theater, wantie gi CT scan, to wantie gi ray ultrasound. Cost mare akiwacho no, it's going to be 163, but as time goes by, there may 200 million. These projects, Idoka, the MP of the area, my brother Aduma War, Tio teach maber kabisa nikechi, Aduma War samoro kinya wije ko kegweng. To riti milongo ni committee stages in parliament. A committee stage, members of parliament should participate vigorously at the committee stage. Kanya magi allocate pesa to different projects in the country. Ibinjo. Koro Manya Bondoni is one of the projects is ready to be launched. So the project is excellent because the MP of the area Timo follow up kendo luwo serikal modo okaw go kony kom serikal odhi kony go jopiny.
Ma follow up no nigi moro manyaka timre.
Follow up has to be done.
Aya, nafuanga iwijo kar kanya duogi iri kachel kodaka Easter chiek mondo miao kono ni ting mane ma Jood bura gintiere godo follow up ne nigi moro madwarore koso oyo kato Easter kaka duogo ira en kono weche mag